This week's spotlight is on the extraordinary SpaceKap Diablo Electrician Upfit that can be easily mounted inside numerous truck boxes. Meticulously designed to utilize every inch of its spacious interior, this custom upfit is a game-changer for electricians on the go. Exterior features: drop-down ladder rack that securely transports your ladders with ease and reliability from prime design. Interior features: workbench, cabinets, and parts keepers, a dedicated space to get your tasks done efficiently thanks to Ranger Design's quality products. Tons of drawers, organize and store all your essential tools and parts with CTech Manufacturing drawers. Super bright LED work lights, illuminate your workspace, no matter the time of day. Air compressor and air tank, ready for any pneumatic tool needs. Powerful inverter, power your tools on the go. Super booster pack, never worry about leaving a stranded vehicle behind. Spray foam lining and heater, maintain a comfortable workspace even in the harshest conditions. The key benefit: SpaceKap slip-in service bodies are transferable from one truck to another, offering durability that lasts for decades. This means a tremendous return on your investment.
Are you looking to drive efficiencies in your fleet through innovative solutions? Contact Expertec today.